What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Freeman here, and today I want to show you how you can spy on the NFT alpha groups, the Ethereum NFT alpha groups, and the Solana NFT alpha groups. And of course, this isn't every alpha group, but this is a bunch of the top alpha groups that you're going to be able to spy on using what's called an aggregator. Okay, this is an alpha group aggregator called wtphunks. And shout out to Race Car Studios, Akil and Picasso over there for telling me about this alpha group aggregator. Anyway, you can see these are really cheap. The floor right now is 0.01. At the current price of Ethereum, that's about 15 bucks. So pretty cheap to get one of these what the funks. And when you get one of these, you get access to the alpha aggregator Discord group. Okay, so let me show you what this group looks like. We're going to switch over to Discord. This is the what the Funks Alpha Group Discord. Okay. And there's a bunch of different channels in here. So I'm not going to go over necessarily all of them. There's a bunch of What the Funks channels. You know, they have their official channels. They've also got their own alpha calls on here where they've got a bunch of degen plays, lots of free mints listed here, and a little description, little notes on each one. They've got a little degen section. They've got an early calls section with pre-mints and just new projects that they're finding. So they've got a bunch of their own channels. They've got also just like a chat where everybody can chat. But what are the real juicy stuff is the stuff that you came to this video for is in their alpha mirrors and their chat mirrors. And they have these are all Ethereum alpha mirrors. So you can see like the champs. Let me get to the bottom of these. Yeah, the champs, degen, alpha chat, the champs just alpha chat. I'm obviously, I need to update, like get to the bottom of some of these. You can see the llama, the Habibis. So you've got a bunch of the different alpha group chats in here. And then and then alpha group channels in here. And then you've got the alpha chats as well. So you can see like the alpha labs, the aqua tools, again, champs, alpha chat here. So these are all just aggregators. These are the actual chats from these groups all aggregated into one Discord here. It's pretty sneaky. So here's the Habibis chat. And you can just spy on what these groups are up to. You can't chat in their groups, but a lot of times you don't really need to see what these groups are up to. So you can go like if you're into Solana, the sets on correct chat. You can go see what the sets are up to. The Kets, I mean. Big old cut right there. Cut. 3 minutes, 45 seconds in. We're going to cut. Stop the screen share. We're going to redo this. Hey guys, Freeman here, and today we're going to show you how to. Hey guys, Freeman here, and today I'm going to show you. Hey guys, Freeman here, and today I'm going to show you how you can spy on the Ethereum and Solana NFT alpha groups using what's called an alpha group aggregator. Okay, so just going to show you real quick. This is called What the Funks, okay? And you can see here, it's the ultimate alpha aggregating Discord group. Shout out to Akil and Picasso over on Race Car Studios show. That's where I found out about this project. These are really cheap. These are selling for 0.01 at the current time. That's about $15 worth of Ethereum. So very cheap to get a hold of one of these. And when you hold one of these, you get access to the alpha Discord group, the aggregator group. So let me just pull that up real quick to show you guys. So this is their the What the Funks Alpha aggregator Discord. Okay, they've got a lot of channels in here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you can see they've got their own channels here with information about What the Funks. They've got their own DGen calls. They've got their own alpha calls here with notes. It's actually pretty good, even just on its own. They've got early calls here with pre-mints and YouTube, or I mean, Twitter's for the upcoming um, mints. And you got gem sweeps here. You got the from gems.xyz. You've got sweep alerts here. You got actually a lot here. You got IC tools, mint alerts. So there's a lot even just in the What the Funks alpha channels themselves. But where the really juicy stuff is, and the stuff that you clicked on this video for, is in their mirrors. So they've got the alpha and chat mirrors for Ethereum groups, and then also for Solana groups. So you can see up here, for example, they've got the alpha mirror for Champs and Fleur and Habibis and Llama and Popeyes and a bunch of other ones, Aqua Tools, Alpha Labs. They've also got the chat mirrors over here too. So like, let's say we want to go and spy on the Habibis chat. We can just click on Habibis chat and we can see, if I can ever get, let's go to jump to present. You can see what they're chatting about in these alpha groups live. You can't chat back because this is just an aggregator of these different channels. But, most of the time you don't need to chat back. You're just here to see what these groups are talking about, what plays they're getting into. And that can be really, really helpful for getting in on those pumps that these groups are doing. So, for example, here we're on the Kets on Correct Alpha group, and you can see they haven't posted in this channel in a little bit, but on the Kets on Correct main chat, you can see they're posting, they're talking right now. So this is really, really useful tool. And I've definitely gotten my money's worth out of this. I think I've held this for at least a month now. So, because, and I just check this, like pretty much I just check in here, once a day, and I will usually look at, I'll start up in the alpha for the What the Funk. I'll check out their alpha calls here because these are nice little summaries. And then I'll go through some of the chats and alpha groups that I watch the most. I like to look at what the champs are up to. I like to look at what Habibis and the llamas are up to. Let's see when the last time, yeah, Llamaverse here posting today, even in their alpha chat, a couple different projects. So you can see how this is really useful if even by just scrolling through it a little bit. Over in Solana, you got the Boryoku Dragons, you got the Ketson Krek, you got the OK Bears. These are big projects. You got Tayo Robotics. These are big project alpha groups. And so, yeah, I'm a big fan of this tool. And, I hope that, I don't know if there's any way that they can block this from continuing this aggregator from working, but, so that's a quick overview of what So that's a quick overview of the What the Funks Discord. So that's a quick overview of the What the Funks Alpha Discord aggregator. Again, check that out. I'll put a link to the actual project page on. I'll put a link to the marketplace page. I'll I'll put a link to the OpenSea page for this project so that you can check it out yourself. Yeah, good luck out there, guys. Happy hunting. And yeah, happy hunting out there, guys.